Ben loved to play the violin. He practiced every day and dreamed of playing in a grand concert hall. Ben's family was poor, and they couldn't afford a good violin, so he practiced on an old, worn-out instrument. One day, as Ben was playing his violin in the park, he noticed an old man sitting on a bench, listening intently. The man had a gentle smile and seemed deeply moved by the music. After Ben finished playing, the old man approached him and said, "You play beautifully, young little boy. Your music touched my heart." Ben smiled and thanked him. The old man introduced himself as Mr. Lewis, a retired music teacher. He offered to give Ben free violin lessons. Ben was overjoyed and eagerly accepted. Weeks turned into months, and under Mr. Lewis's guidance, Ben's skills improved dramatically. Mr. Lewis also taught him about the joy of sharing music with others and the importance of playing from the heart. One day, Mr. Lewis fell ill and could no longer give Ben lessons. Ben was heartbroken, but determined to continue practicing. He decided to play a concert in the park to honor his mentor. He put up posters around town, inviting everyone to come and listen. On the day of the concert, the park was filled with people. Ben played his heart out, and the audience was captivated by his music. Among the crowd was Mr. Lewis, who had managed to attend despite his illness. Tears of pride and joy filled his eyes as he listened to his student play. After the concert, Mr. Lewis approached Ben and handed him a beautifully crafted violin. "This was my most treasured possession," he said. "I want you to have it. Your music brings so much joy to others, and you deserve the best." Ben was overwhelmed with gratitude. He hugged Mr. Lewis and promised to continue sharing the gift of music with the world. The moral of the story is, true passion and dedication, combined with kindness and generosity, can create beautiful and lasting bonds. Sharing our talents and helping others can bring immense joy and fulfillment to both the giver and the receiver.